On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram I'm not a robot problem easily and fast. First thing guys is go to the Play Store and then go to the search bar right here and search for Instagram, and make sure to update it into the latest version if you don't have the latest one. After that, you have to go back into the settings on your phone, open the settings, and then go to the apps manager like this. After you go to the apps manager, now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is very simple. Scroll, click on Instagram, and then click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. After that, click go back, click on the power usage details, and click here on this force stop down here. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.